Air filter change on 2018 Santa Fe. I'm also going to do oil change. So you just pull down the tab, see? Pull out to open. Turn the tabs. Pull the air filter out. Looks clean. Not. So we're going to change this. New one, put it back the same way. Turn the tabs. Called oil change. Just pull the dipstick. This is going to be using 520 oil. Like this. Cap. Okay, so for the bottom, you're just going to use a screwdriver, push the tabs, and pull down one at a time. See? Well, you can change the oil filter. So drain bolt is going to be a 17. One of my favorite oil filter tool opener is this one. New filters going in. Just take a little bit of oil and just coat the rubber. Hand tighten. You're not used to tool. Tied up your oil drain bolt. Brake clean. And you're good to go. It's supposed to have another guard right here, but it's not. So if your car has a guard, just use a screwdriver and just pry it out. Put your cover back. And if you have the other cover, put it back, and you're good. Okay, so I put 5 liters in. So now I'm just starting the car, run it for maybe 4 or 5 seconds. Turn it off. I'm gonna reset the oil light while I'm at it. So to reset the service light, just press this button and keep going through. So I'm going to there, and then hold the arrow to reset. Then you go to settings, set interval. And 7,000 is too much. So we're going to change that to 5,000. So you're going to try 5,000. We'll change it in 4 months. Let's do save. You hit yes. So now we'll say 5,121 days. So after adding my 5 liters and starting the car, I'm going to recheck the oil. So as you can see, you can use a little bit. So I did my top up. And I'm just going to double check.